Hi Bangalore, I am Nandan Bhatia, Administration and Facilities Head for Britannia Industries. Today I am going to talk about our initiatives which we have taken to convert Garbage City into Garden City. We at Britannia Corporate Office have taken the initiative of waste segregating at source. If you see towards my right, we have got a recyclable waste, which is a kind of dry waste, which is paper and plastic and metals and glasses, which converts into stationary items like envelopes, stationary pads, etc., etc. And then there is the organic wet waste, which is cooked vegetables, raw vegetables and fruits, which goes for the entire composting process. And there the third dustbin, which is for the fluids. As a second step of sensitization to the employees, we have ensured that we have installed the posters which says about that change begins with you and me. We talk about reuse, reduce and recycle. Thereby they are ensuring that they are reusing the plates and cups in throwing into a proper dustbin and reducing it by ensuring that tissue and paper cups into a reduction manner, and which goes towards the recycling. We have also sensitizing them about choosing the right bin, not even in office but in fact in the homes also, as well as in the places in the common areas. We have taken an initiative of sensitizing the employees in terms of reducing the food waste. For that, we have enhanced the culture by providing the visual retention tools, which you can see in our left, where we talk about that people who have not got food to survive, but there are people who are wasting the food and not consuming it. So think of them next time you throw the cafeteria food saying it's not tasty. If you see, we have installed the we provide the data on a daily basis, and we install it in our cafeteria, where we say that how many kgs of waste, the food waste which is being generated in terms of waste from the cafeteria, which can feed actually how many number of people. So if you see on 20th September there are 6 kgs of waste which is being generated, which can actually feed 20 people. It has actually come down from the 15 kgs of food which was generated on a more basis. After the segregation process at the source, we now come to our eco-friendly center, where the entire waste is being collected here. This room where we use to compose the organic waste and the entire further segregation process. This is the shredder where the entire garden waste gets shredded into a fine components to reduce the volume. Further, we have the equipments which is named as manthans, where the entire food waste, organic waste gets into manthan, and the entire churning process happens for 30 to 35 days. You can see how the biscuits, waste biscuits, which is expired, which is not going to be utilized, are going to be used in composting process. This composting process takes around 30 to 40 days, where we put the biaculum powder also, so that we ensure that the quality of the manure which is getting generated as a final product is quite good. Once we complete the entire process in the manthan, the waste is being kept into the leave-it pots for around 5 to 10 days to ensure they are got dried up, and subsequently we put it outside for around 5 days to fully dry, and which can be further used as a recyclable waste, that is into the composting process, as a manure, where you can see the final product towards the entire process is this, which we can finally use in our garden waste. This manure, if you use, is very high in nutrition contents, which we feed it to our plants on a daily basis, and therefore our gardens are flourishing very well and being wonderful. As a next process, you will see that we are further segregating the dry waste in our segregation table, which has been installed here. Here the process involves where all the laminates, that is biscuit wrappers, all the papers, all the teacups, which has been kept into a separate boxes, and further it has been stacked into the side, where it has been kept properly in terms of PET bottle storage area, plastic wastage storage area, leaf shredding, biscuit cover storage area, and coffee cup storage area. As an initiative, we have also taken a tie-up with Khadi Gramodyoga, where we are giving them all our dry waste in terms of paper waste, carton waste, and other recyclable waste. And in turn, we get our stationeries, which is files, envelopes, and writing pads. I would like to focus on one of the major initiatives which we are in a process of execution. If you see, this is the laminate which is actually non-biodegradable and which is difficult to further recycle it. So we have taken an initiative where we are working with MK Aeronautics in terms of ensuring that we recycle it and we do it convert into a furnace oil which can be used for our manufacturing units and our production center. I would also like to draw special attention on one of the important point which we have taken as an initiative of recycling. If you see our ceiling of waste management facility, which is actually recycled, which is made out of recycled Tetra Pak, which is itself unique in a nature which very few organizations have done it. It gives me a great pleasure to state that the tie-up what we have done with Khadi Gram Udyoga, with them, all the recycling papers which is going from our unit to their unit, they are ensuring that they are converting, they are recycling all our paper waste, all our CBB waste, magazines, newspapers, and as a final product we get something like this, where you will see this is a writing pad which we give it to our employees for our training sessions or for our other scribbling requirement. This is an envelope which we use, which is purely a which is made out of purely a recyclable paper. There is a green color folder which is a paper bag which we also use for various other service products, and there is a folder which people can use it for filing their documents. With this note, I would like to thank all Britannians who have been made this initiative a great success, and Ms. Vinita Bali, the Managing Director of the company, for guiding us and supporting to make this initiative towards environment and sustainability in a global cause. To conclude this, I would like to state that Britannia's 90% of the waste which is being generated in corporate office has been either composted or recycled. We have taken the initiative. What about yours? And that's our initiative towards creating a Hasiru city with Sunny and cameraman Dev. Myself, Nandan Bhatia, Head of the Administration and Facilities with News 9.
Are you making a change by managing your waste? Inspire others with your story. Tell us about your initiative to make Bengaluru a Hasiru city. Write to us at response@hasirucity.com or SMS us at 56006890.